you guys, my name is Anji. You're watching Anji Swag. So we are at Krabi, and Make My Trip had provided us a hotel called Centra by Centara, that is in Pupano. So that's the main entrance. I thought to give a small video on this as well. So this is the parking for 2 weeks which you can get from the locals. This is the view you can see here. That's the main entrance where they have these small statues as well with water filled in. Let's move ahead. That's the reception of Centra by Centara. Again, if you can see, that's the main thing which I really like. That's the pool and view from the pool around. This is around 7 a.m. I was sitting here and it was totally amazing view, guys. If you can see, it was completely peace and natural air. It was so good. So this is the pool, and that's where the top is our room. You can see the left corner, and that's the view from the pool. So let me take you to the room as well. Let's have a room tour. So this is the room we got. We've kept few of the stuff of ours. We bought this mat as well. Here they have given a wardrobe. This is kind of small almirah which they have given. Best thing which I liked here is this book which they had provided us, the teaching of Buddha. Then this tea and all. They've given a small locker as well where we kept our valuables. Small fridge as well. Let's move ahead. Alright, so this is the room, the big mirror for getting ready, lamps, here small table. They had provided 2 water bottles as well. Here we kept a few of the stuffs. TV was there. That's the bed and the interior, and that's the bathroom you can see from the ventilator. A phone was there. Let's go outside. That's the small balcony. There is another big balcony which was the other side. So here is the view from this small balcony as well.